Hey guys, so this is actually a requested video. My aunt has been asking me forever to show her how to do a smoky eye, and we're always so busy that it just never we just never get around to meeting up for me to show her how to do a smoky eye. So I thought, hold on, now that I've got my new camera, my new ring light, why not just show her how to do the smoky eye via a YouTube video? Let's do that, okay? So this one's for you, girl, because I promised you. So I've already done my eyebrows. As you can see, I've already primed as well, so I've already primed all my skin. So now I need to prime my actual eyelids. So I'm going to use a concealer and just put it all over the lid, and then I'm just going to blend that out. And you can do all of this before you do your brows. I just like to get my brows done. So now I'm going to take this flesh tone color here, just here, and I'm going to put that all over the eyelid, and that will just set that concealer, and this helps to stop the eyeshadow from creasing. Okay, so now we need a crease color or a background color. I used to do a smoky eye with literally just grey and black, but since kind of dabbling in makeup, I've learned that you can use other colors aside from just grey and black. So it really does depend on what type of smoky eye you're going for. If you're going for a more natural smoky eye, I would probably use like a brown background and then go in with a black. Or if you're looking for a little bit more of a girly kind of smoky eye, then I'd use a pink. But I'm going to use this brown here, and I'm going to start in my crease. And then using a blending brush, I'm just going to blend out all of that shadow. But I don't want to take it up too far into the brow. I kind of want it to fade out, and I kind of stop before I hit the brow. Now don't worry if it starts to look messy, because we'll be able to clean it up. That's why I haven't bothered to do any of my foundation. I never do foundation before I do my eyes, because I like to go ham. I like to go in, I like to make a mess and then clean it up and then go from there. So now I'm going to go in with this black, and I would definitely advise picking up a little bit of black first and then building it up. I'm going to deposit some of the excess over here. Now this is, even though it's an okay black, it's not the best black. So this one that I'm putting down is just kind of like as a base. Like, can you see, like all there in my nose, I'm getting a lot of fallout. That's why I don't put on any foundation first. So now you can see that the black is starting to blend into the brown that we put down, and that's what we want. But as you can see on the lid, it's not looking as hot. So we need to put on a better black so that it's going to be like pow, black in your face. Okay, so one of the best blacks that I have is from the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and it's called Chad. It's this one right here in the corner, and I'm going to just pick that up on my brush. And as you can see, I'm just packing this onto the lid, but do keep to the actual lid. Don't go further than the lid. Now we're going to take our blending brush and we're going to do the same thing again. We're just going to blend it out in the crease. So now I'm going to take a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to go over all of those edges, just so everything is kind of blended into one another. Then I'm going to take my concealer and a really small detail brush. I'm just going to get a little bit of that concealer on that brush, and I'm going to carve out underneath my brow. And at this point, you can see that the eyeshadow really needs to be cleaned up. You can see that this eyeshadow here is a lot cleaner than this side. Now it's time to clean up all of those edges, like all of this, all of the inside. Just get rid of all of the excess that we just do not want. Okay, so using a baby wipe or a makeup wipe, what I tend to do is just wrap it around my nail and then put it to the corner of my eye and then swipe. Then it just gets rid of all of that excess that I do not want. So now I'm gonna do my foundation and the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have put on my foundation, done my blush, all of that good stuff. So now I'm going to put on some eyeliner. Now I'm going to just do the lower lash line. And I'm using that same dark brown shade that we started off with. I'm going to use a little bit of black. You can use as much or as little as you want to. I don't tend to go over the top with my lower lash line. Now to just add some mascara. And of course, lashes, like false lashes, are optional. I don't really tend to wear false lashes that much anymore unless I'm going out. And this is the finished look. I absolutely love having a smoky eye. And me, I'm the kind of person, I like to wear any kind of makeup anytime. Doesn't matter if it's daytime, I can still rock the smoky eye. I don't care. I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and put me on notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.